Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about how to fix an Android phone stuck on charging screen. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My phone is stuck on the charging screen when I turn it on or charge, and the charging circle doesn't move. I've tried removing the battery and recharging it, but that doesn't work. I've drained the battery and recharged it, but that doesn't work either. The screen is frozen and only shows a quarter of the charging circle. Can someone tell me how to fix Android phone stuck on charging screen? I'd be very grateful. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When Android phone is stuck on charging screen occurs, no need to panic. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix an Android phone that's stuck on charging screen problem to turn the device back on. Cause 1. Charging accessories problem. The solution is to check the charging cable and adapter. If the charging cable and adapter are bent, worn, or torn, it may affect the normal charging of the Android device and even cause the Android phone to get stuck on the charging screen. So, please check whether the charging accessories are normal. You can use the same charging accessories to charge different devices to check whether the charging accessories are normal. Cause 2. Operation failure. The solution is to let the phone battery run out completely. When your Android phone stuck on charging battery icon, you can give the phone a complete rest. If your charging accessories are in good condition, completely drain the battery. Please place the Android phone in a dry environment until the battery is exhausted. After the battery is completely exhausted, try to charge the phone for at least 6 hours, and then turn on the phone again to check whether it gets rid of the charging screen. Cause 3. Software failure. The solution is to force restart the Android phone. When a software failure occurs on an Android phone, the failure may cause problems with the operation of the Android phone. If you happen to be charging at this time, the Android phone is stuck on dead battery screen may appear. The good news is that force restart can quickly clear them up and save you from worrying about this problem. We have listed the steps to force restart phones from common brands. If it does not cover your brand, please comment below and we will show you the detailed steps. To force restart a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons. To force restart a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons. To force restart a Huawei, OnePlus or Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the buttons. Wait for your Android phone to boot up and hopefully it will boot up to the home screen. To eliminate this issue, you can try restarting your Android phone. Restarting your Android phone will reopen and run the Android system and software. Here are the steps to restart an Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears and then tap the restart icon or button. The Android phone will automatically restart to the home screen. If the problem is caused by a software glitch, restarting can help fix Android phone screen stuck on charging. Cause 4. Incompatible apps. The solution is to start safe mode. If you have downloaded a third-party app, it may conflict with the Android operating system, causing you to get stuck on charging screen on Android phone. If you are not sure whether you have downloaded similar apps, an easy way to identify is to enter safe mode. In safe mode, only the original apps and settings run, and third-party apps cannot run. Turn off your Android phone or wait for the battery to drain. Then, press and hold the power button and the volume up button until you see the logo screen. You will then see the recovery mode screen appear. From there, select the safe mode option. If all goes well, you will see the Android phone boot up with the words safe mode appearing in the bottom left corner of the screen. If not, let us know in the comments below. Now, if your Android phone is able to boot up to safe mode, then there must be something wrong with the app. Delete all the apps that you think are responsible for this problem and get out of the Android phone stuck battery charging problem. Once done, press and hold the power button. Select restart and then restart in normal mode. Wait for a few seconds. Now, your Android phone should reboot and return to normal state. Cause 5. The operating system is too old. The solution is to update the operating system. If your Android phone can access the phone settings, you can try this method. If your Android phone is stuck at the charging cycle and cannot access the settings, please skip this method. Alright, here's how to update the device. Go to Settings, find and tap System Update or Software Update option. Wait to see if it says there is an update available to download. If yes, follow the on-screen prompts to download and install the software update. If no, move to the next step to fix Android phone charging screen stuck. Cause 6. A hardware problem. The solution here is to visit the nearest repair store. All previous solutions are enough to help you pinpoint if the issue is triggered by software. If the Android phone is still stuck on the charging screen, time to inspect the hardware components. Accidental drops, liquid exposure, screen cracks, dead battery and so on will make the connectors or internal parts malfunction. 0. To stop the Android phone from automatically restarting the loop, turn to a certified technician from your manufacturer's official service center that's closest to where you live. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix and get dead Android phone charging screen, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.